สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Kift. Today I'm gonna show you how to make soft pretzels. This is very soft pretzel, I told you, and very tasty. So from the first, I will show you the ingredients to make the soft pretzel. So first I will use warm milk 200 ml, yeast 1 teaspoon, and pinch of salt or purple flour 2 cups or 310 grams, and sugar 75 grams, and butter 20 grams. So now for the first, I will add warm milk first. After that, I will mix with the sugars. After that, mix well the sugar with the milk first. Just mix it. Okay, after that I will add some pinch of salt and add the yeast and all-purpose flour 2 cups and just mix well. And then now I will add the butter and just use your hand to knead the dough till the dough becomes smooth. Now the dough already smooth, so I will wrap it and just keep it rest for 1 or 2 hours. It depends on your temperatures outside. After 2 hours, the dough is become the double size already. So I will use my hand to knead the dough again and cut it to 8 pieces. After this, I will wrap it and keep it rest for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you can see the dough is a little bit bigger size, so I will add the butter on the top of the dough. After this, you just use your hand to make the dough into the thin cheese, like this, and fold the dough into a rough like shape, and after that, fold it into a circle. So the circle like this, and after this I will wrap it and keep it rest for 1 hour till it become big to double side. So after 1 hour, it becomes a little bit bigger size. So I will add milk that I mix with the butter on the top, because we make your pretzel is beautiful and it's soft. And I add some roasted sesame on the topping because make your pretzel is beautiful and more tasty. And after that, put it inside the oven. Use 220 Celsius for 15 minutes to bake the pretzel. Now after finish, I will add the milk that I mix with the butter on the top of the pretzels again, because after bake, the pretzel is little bit harder. So just put it for make it soft. And after this, you just wait till it's little bit cooling down and you can enjoy it. Okay, thank you everyone to watching Cook with Gift. If you like our video, please like and subscribe for more easy recipe. So see you next time. Bye bye.